We have reliable trading signals from Metatrader 5 with good trading results. It is ideal for beginners who want a perfect trading method using this tool. This tool provides us with an 80 to 90% success rate. This indicator will guide you on every trade you make, whether up or down. Just follow the step-by-step instructions to get it done. I will show you on how to install our strategy to trade with the IQ option. First, let's go to the metatrader5.com. Then click the Download Metatrader 5 for Windows to download. If you have Mac OS or Linux, you can choose another option below. After download it, let's install the mt5setup.exe. Let's proceed to its installation procedure. I suggest to register new account in the MQL5 website. We already installed and ready to trade. As you can see, we have Market Watch here, Navigator, charts and certain tools to used in trading. First, let's open a demo account if you have still no account yet. We must set our trading server. Let's choose MetaQuotes. Just set your name, email address, and telephone number or etc. And have the leverage into 1:100. Then agree the terms and conditions so that you can proceed. After registration, your demo account will automatically connect to a live Forex server, where we can trade with our strategy. Then let's attach our trading indicators. First, let's go to the File tab, then open Data folder. Let's go to MQL5 folder, then Indicators. We will paste our XProfit indicator here. Let's go to the downloaded XProfit folder. Then paste the XProfit indicator to this folder. After that, we need to refresh the existing navigator. We can now see that our indicator are live and can be traded. We will now attach our XProfit signal to the chart. Make sure to have 1 minute time frame and is ready to be traded. We got EUR/USD, a sell alert confirmation coming from our XProfit indicator. As we can see here, our MACD might going down. With its perimeter settings of 13, 25, and 11. It has higher chance rate to win trading with this method for 1 minute. Got good trading results on our recent trades. Make sure to invest what you can afford to lose. Amazing trading strategy. Another EUR/USD sell confirmation. Our MACD here might tend to cross the two lines, leaving it a high chance for the trend to go down. It's the best spot to trade lower. GBP/USD, a sell alert confirmation. The MACD is going down. Let's trade with it. To download the indicator, visit us at ultimatefxtools.com, or you can find it on the description below. See the rest of the video and follow us to get more latest trading methods, trading with IQ option and other trading brokers.